Welcome guys, today we will try to understand the relative locators with some examples in Selenium, and is a new topic of Selenium 4. Okay, so it is majorly asked in our interviews. Any MNC interview, any interview which you are going to give in any company, this will be asked. It is just good to have this knowledge. Okay, so we will start with like relative locators. So first we are taking above locator. Above locator, like theory I have already explained. You can go the above playlist and you can watch that video. And today we will understand the syntax, how we are going to write it. So normally like driver equal to new Chrome driver we write, as we are using Chrome driver. And web element 1 I have taken. Okay, this is the where we are giving the ID of any element. Now same thing we are going to put in the above. This is the element 1 is the ID of that element which we have to click. And like relative locator which we have used with the with by id is the down locator is there. So we are going to click on the above. So we have to give dot above element 1. For the below locator, same thing we have, only we have to write below. Okay, so we have given dot below and then element id 1. Element id is always at the down. Okay, because it is at the below. Okay, now we have to write off, so it will be at the right hand side. Okay, that element id we have given. To left of the left side element id we have given. And syntax same as I have written, you have to follow. And near also I have given the link, like link harif we have given, that you have to click. It should be near the main this tag name a. So we have given this, so you have to use in this way. If you have any question, please comment, I will reply. Okay, please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you, bye bye.